Alright, so we're going to dig into this bitch and see what we're working with today. Got a nice little swimming pool, but we're trying to assess what all is missing and what's fucked. As far as rusty Miata stuff goes, that's the extent of the damage we found so far. You know, the water doesn't drain through, it kind of sits here if your stuff ain't set up right, the rails. So, pulling the seats, pulling the carpet, trying to get everything out. We've already found that they took not just the intake and the MAF, but the ECU, so we're gonna have to track those down. Yay. But oh yeah, and the fucking center console thing too. Assholes. Alright, well, we'll be back with more. Morning. So we did a thing. If I haven't already described it or told you. Anyway, so we're dealing with a no spark issue. Now I don't know if it's also no spark, no injector. I'm going to break out some tools and we're going to start testing for power and signal. I have some noid lights which are good for testing the injector pulses. I need to find those, and then while we're at it, we're going to go ahead and check for compression. So we finished stripping down the interior and drying everything out and treating the floors. I'm pretty damn happy with where we got to on that one. Tested some of the electrical stuff like the lights. We know that they work, and the motors and all that stuff. So all in all, plenty of good news. The motor cranks very nicely. Just like I said, no spark, and we need to confirm fuel. So we're going to get busy doing that, and then we'll be back. Well, this aftermarket cop system has quite a few problems that I've identified, and we're going to try and work out. We've got a broken wire here. We've got a broken wire at this plug. Got one at this plug. One at this plug. So essentially none of these have a connection. So that very well could be the issue. These ones here came loose with a little prodding, so it could have been intermittent, but I know for sure that right there, you know, it's not even happening. So we're gonna try and give these a repair. I'm not gonna waste all damn day on this, but it's like I smell wood. Soldering iron burning the damn thing right there. Anyway, we're just gonna give it a go, see what we can get out of it. I figure it's shit, it's worth a try, and we'll be back.